do our math lesson
11
here. Perry.
plus, how about 11 plus 5?
11 plus 5.
Do you know what that is?
I'm not going to tell you.
Okay. Let me
Because
think.
you have to guess it.
Let me think.
Okay. Do do do
11
do
versus
do do
5,
do
5
do
and
do
11.
do 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 do.
I'm going to say that's 17.
No.
14.
11 plus 5. What are we adding?
11 plus 5?
Okay, 11 strawberries, and we add 5 more strawberries to it. So what comes after 11?
12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Is it, what was it, 11 plus
17.
5? Moo can't count either. I'm sorry, Perry. I love you anyway.
Well, Perry can count.
Of course.